Oh my God. Guys. Oh my goodness, guys. Holy smokes. All right, guys, today's episode is about catching bass like this right here and bigger in the fall. All right, so this is bass fishing in the fall. And right now I'm starting out with the speedworm. And as you can tell, we already got a fish. Nice little chunky bass. So let's put this bad boy back in the water and let's catch more fish. All right. Oh God. Guys. Oh, big fish right here, I think. Feels big anyway. Oh. Yeah, big fish. Oh my gosh. Oh. Got him. Oh my goodness, guys. Holy smokes. I'm so nervous I can't get the hook out. Wow. Look at that bass. That thing is ridiculous. Check it out. I think I was doing a swim bait across top of the surface and he just slammed, this fish just slammed the top of that bait. Oh my goodness. Check it out. Woo. Sorry guys, that's a nice fish. Let's weigh it. I'm guessing 4.5. Let's see. It is 4.78. 4.78, guys. So he's bigger. 4.5. Check it out. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful fish. So let's let him go. Man. Wow. Go. Guys, that is awesome. That is so awesome. I was reeling that small swim bait about 3 inches long, across top of the surface, right off some hydrilla, and that thing exploded on top of that bait. That is just ridiculous, guys. All right, let me get my heart back. If I had a heart attack, and let's get another fish. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. I feel like a big fish. Either dad's got me in the high drill, one or two. Oh. Ah. Either the big fish or he's in the grass. I don't know. Oh, gracious, guys. He's coming up. Ah, it's a decent fish. All right. Woo, right in the hydrilla. Gracious. Whoo, guys, check this out. Man, caught him on a speedworm. Look at that. Nice. Man, you gotta love it. He just ate that worm up. See that? That's just ridiculous, guys. Man. All right. A lot of hydrilla. Man, he was back there deep in that stuff, and I threw that speedworm. I threw that speedworm directly on top of that grass, and when it came off the grass, boom! This guy knocked it out. All right, another nice fall bass. Let's let him go. Whoo! Go. Whoo! I cannot get enough of this fall bass fishing, man. This is just awesome, awesome. my God. Guys. Oh, shoot. Oh my goodness, guys. Holy smoke. Good God Almighty. Holy. Oh my goodness. Holy, look at this fish. Woo. Oh, guys, look at this thing. This thing is ridiculous. Look at that. That is huge. All right, we gotta weigh this fish. This thing is like stout. Look how short it is and fat, man. Good gracious. All right, we're gonna have to, hang on, I get my brains right. Come on. All right, let's see. All right, you guys ready? Oh man, I'm so nervous, guys. I can't even put a clip on. You ready? It is 5.37. 5.37. All right. Man, I thought this bass was bigger than that. 5.37. All right. Let's let this girl go. Holy moly, man. Guys, that thing hit the top of the water, it scared me. All right, let's let it go. Let's let it go. Woo! Check that out. Oh my goodness. Whew. Guys, that is, wow. That got my nerves tore up. All right, that was a swim bait. Whew. Let's get another one on right now. Let's try again. Oh God. You guys see that? See that thing jump out of the water? I'm about to lose him. Nice fish, man. That fish jumped out of the water. Crazy. This fish flipped out of the water to hit that lure. Like Jaws, man. Look like a great white shark. That is awesome, guys. That's a healthy fish too. Check it out. Whoo, man, it's time for me to get out of here. But I don't want to go nowhere right now. I want to keep fishing. I told my wife I'd be home. I'll leave here at 3 o'clock, man. And they just keep biting. Anyway, let's let it go. This fish did a little flip. Let's go. Let's go. Woo. All right, today's fishing trip was just ridiculous, guys. I mean, it's fall time right now, and the bass are just biting like crazy. In fact, they're still biting right now. But I got to go home. I told my wife I'll be home. I'll leave at 4 o'clock. I got to keep my word. Before I go, though, I'm going to show you the lures I was using to catch all these fish. One was a Rage Swimmer from Strike King. All right, this is a 5-inch model. I think it's a 4.75-inch model right here. And I have a 5/0 hook, worm hook, and no weight, guys, no weight. And what I was doing, I was casting on top of the hydrilla and just reeling it in. And man, I was kind of waking the bait, and the big bass, man, it was like Shark Week, man. The fish were just jumping and flipping and all kinds of other crazy stuff after this lure. They were just killing this bait. The other lure was a Zoom speedworm. All right, this guy right here, Zoom speedworm. I got a 5/0 hook. I got 3/16-ounce bullet weight, and I got a bobber stopper right here, guys. And basically, the bobber stopper keeps the weight from falling down. But look, guys, these are the two lures that caught fish. Right now it's fall time in Florida, and I know it's a little warm, gets a little bit of cool at night. But I tell you what, guys, right now the fish are just ridiculous biting, and I really truly enjoy this time of year because the hydrilla is kind of dying back a little bit, so you get access to more places on the lake. But look, guys, if you liked the video, go click on the like button down below. This lets YouTube know this is a good video. And guys, I appreciate all you watching, and I appreciate the comments. And look, like always, I'll catch you on the next video.